Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make some New York strip steaks in the air fryer. The air fryer is definitely going to result in a nice, juicy, buttery steak. So guys, let's get started. And guys, as usual, all of the ingredients will be in the description box below. Right here we have about 1.5 pounds of New York strip steak. So yeah guys, I did rinse these steaks off and then as you can see here, I am patting them dry. You want to make sure that your meat is patted dry before putting these into the air fryer. Okay, so here we're going to add just a little bit of EVOO, extra virgin olive oil. We're going to go ahead and rub those into the steak. We want to make sure we do that on both sides. And this is probably maybe about 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil altogether. So these are the spices that I used on this steak in this recipe. I would highly recommend that you use the seasonings that you like on your steak. To be completely honest, when I redo these steaks, I will just use salt and pepper and some onion powder. That is it. So yeah, you're gonna want to use what you like on your steak. Remember that all of these recipes are just kind of like, you know, a guideline, but you don't have to stick to what I use. Use the seasonings of your choice. I more so want you guys to just kind of follow the cooking method in this video with the air fryer. So I am pushing or patting the seasonings into this nice, beautiful steak right here. Guys, you also want to make sure you get some seasonings on the side of the steaks where that nice fat marbling is, because more than likely, if you're like me, you're going to eat that fat as well. And you also want that to taste good, right? Okay guys, so as you know, I absolutely love my air fryer. I have been playing with it more than ever. I have some more air fryer recipes that I want to bring to you guys. Comment below and let me know if you have an air fryer and if you love your air fryer, and what are some recipes that you cook in your air fryer. Let me know below. So once you have seasoned your meat the way you like it, it is time to throw these babies in the air fryer. Yes, ma'am. So I cooked my steaks at 400 degrees. Of course, I preheated it. Preheat for this particular model is about 5 minutes. And then after that, you'll see where it says add the food. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add in the steaks one at a time. You want to try to have a little bit of space in between them because you want that air to be able to circulate. I'm going to spray a little bit of olive oil or non-stick spray. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to lay these 2 babies right there in the air fryer. I cooked my steak at 400 degrees for about 14 to 15 minutes and I flipped them halfway through. This will give you a medium, well done steak. So if you like your steak like medium rare, or if you want it to be more juicier, then you cook it for less time. Right now I'm going to go ahead and saute some onions so we can put that on top of our nice juicy buttery steak. Right here I just added just a little bit of pepper and some EVOO to the pan. Here I'm just going to add about a tablespoon of that garlic Parmesan basil compound butter that I showed you guys at the beginning of the video. I will also put that in the description box, guys. That butter is so yummy. I also put it on the steak, as you're gonna see, but we're gonna let those onions saute. Now we're halfway through the cooking process. We're about 10 minutes in, and this is what the steaks look like 10 minutes of being in the air fryer. Look at it, guys. Take a look at what the air fryer can do in 10 minutes. I brightened up the light a little bit just so you guys can really see what's going on in this air fryer right now. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and flip these over. Give them a nice flippy flip. And then I'm only going to let these cook for about 4 to 5 more minutes, guys. The air fryer is amazing. Get yourself one. And I'm not even sponsored by this company, but I will tell you guys, air fryers are the way to go. So we're going to go ahead and pop those babies back in for like another 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and finish off with our sauteed onions, guys. Oh my goodness. Look at those onions in that garlic Parmesan basil butter. Now we are down to 5 minutes of cooking time. So these guys have cooked for about 15 minutes, guys. Look at these steaks. New York strip steaks in the air fryer for a medium well done consistency in 14 to 15 minutes of cooking time. And remember to adjust your cooking time to the doneness of the steaks that you like, guys. But look, it's time to put these babies on the plate. Look at the steam coming off of these steaks, guys. This is what the air fryer can do. Oh my goodness. Guys, I do recommend for proper cooking temperatures that you do use a thermometer. I did not have a thermometer at the time of this video, but I did use another method to check the doneness level of my steaks. Now here you're going to see me add, this looks like a lot of butter, but really it's about a tablespoon on each one. That is that Parmesan basil garlic butter, guys, that I picked up from Walmart. It tastes delicious. If you're cooking this on the stove, you can just kind of baste the steaks with it. Oh my god, so yummy. And so here I'm just going to add no more than a tablespoon, guys. Don't use any more than a tablespoon of steak sauce. Only use this if you like the flavor of like A1 sauce or steak sauce. This will take your steak and your onions to a whole nother level. Guys, look at those sauteed onions. Oh my god, I cannot wait to eat this meal. Okay, now so after resting these steaks for about 10 to 15 minutes, I am now going to cut through. Guys, this steak was so juicy and so tender. Remember, as soon as they come out the air fryer, do not cut them open because all the juices will come out of the steak. As you can see, as I'm cutting it, this steak still has some juice in the inside as well. Again, if you like your steak a little bit more well done, you can keep it in the air fryer for a couple more minutes. If you like it to be medium, of course you would do less cooking time. So guys, I really was amazed how well the air fryer cooked this steak. It was nice and juicy. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that, girl. Nice, juicy, buttery steak in the air fryer. 14 to 15 minutes, guys. Make this for your sweetie. I actually put a baked potato in the microwave and I topped it off with some yummy toppings. Guys, look at the finished product right there. Look at that, girl. You better go ahead and make your Valentine's a nice, yummy dinner. Guys, I hope you like this video. I want for you guys to become a part of the Solo Dolo cooking family, guys. Also follow me over on Instagram And y'all know I had to show y'all my plate. I was smashing. Guys, this Simply Peach juice is so delicious. Oh my goodness, guys. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. For more easy, quick recipes, hit that like button and subscribe. You guys have a great, blessed day. Bye-bye.